Cream Dijon mustard sauce.
What do you want to see?
Welcome to Vegan Kiwis to Pistachio.
So for this presentation is going to be the ingredients that we need. Over here we have Dijon mustard, corn, nutritional yeast, silk almond milk, 5 red potatoes, Bragg liquid aminos, 16 ounces of chopped spinach, 6 bell peppers. We're going to need a cup of edamame shelled soybeans, silken soft tofu, turmeric, black pepper, brown basmati rice.
Preparing the potatoes by dicing and blanching.
Now I'm down to 5 potatoes. And I'm getting ready to dice them. It's fairly small.
Blanching the potato.
What we're doing is we're blanching the potatoes. So it's been 5 minutes. The potatoes are boiling, and what we're doing, we're taking them off the heat.
Now drain the potatoes into a strainer in your sink. Blender sauce ingredients.
We have 1 teaspoon turmeric. We have 5 red potatoes, 1/3 cup nutritional yeast in the blender, cup of almond milk, Dijon mustard, so there's 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, 2 teaspoons liquid amino all-purpose seasoning. Okay.
Blend all ingredients for a creamy, smooth sauce.
Now what we do is we blend all this in the blender. Now don't get too much in a hurry. Do make sure you put the cap on.
Place the soft tofu in the blender and scrape the sides of the blender with a spatula.
The soft tofu. Mix this in here. And you want this in as smooth a consistency as possible. It's starting to liquefy. It's just taking some time. Stop it occasionally and get the sides. So everything is well blended together.
Watch the next video to see how this sauce is added to the creamy stuffed peppers. If you like this channel, please subscribe. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.